Hi, good day. How are you? So let me show you how to connect the cameras on your cell phone. Right. If you have a hikvision DVR or even if you have a hilook, doesn't matter. It's almost the same. So first thing, you have to check which app are you using in. Right. Let me show you the app we're gonna use. This is the one you can see here. This one, right? So guarding vision, this is app, its name is a guarding vision. You can even find for the uh, Apple and for the Android also. So Android also the same, they for the guarding vision, and the also Apple guarding vision. So first you have to download. After download, then you want to see this screen when you open the app, right? If you doing the first time, like you have to do the register. If the first time, then you have to go to this the plus on the right hand side. There's a, you can see, right? And you can click there. Then you have to go to the scan QR code. Scan QR code. The scan QR code, you're gonna only get it from the DVR. Like when you go to the DVR configuration, then you can go to the network, and from the network you're gonna go to the platform. When you go to the platform, you will see this QR code. Right, then you can just open this one, and then will see this camera will on, right? Then you can just bring this camera between that QR code, then will gonna be on. Okay, so but everything is done, like QR code is done, all the registration is done. So now you have to log in for the cell phone, like another device. If you want to add another device, like the main device you have already is working, then you want to add another phone. So like maybe two three phones you want to use it, you want to log in. So first what we gonna do, you have to go to the login and register. There is it, right? Then you can click here, login and register. So now I'm just showing you from the one of the client uh, for in Forsberg, right? So how you gonna be login? So you have to the okay more important things the people are mistaking, like doing the wrong. You can see this is showing the phone receiver on this, and the another one is showing the email the right. So we have to, if you register to the email, then you have to click on the email. Then you can see here showing the username and email address. All right, so because that device we register, I will showing you, this is on the cell phone, so we have to click on the phone, right? There is a mistake if the most of the people are doing. You can see here the +1, right? The +1, and then showing the mobile phone number. But that device you register in maybe South Africa, or maybe in Pakistan, or maybe India, or is a Canada. That is more important thing, where your device the register, where the device is on. So it's right now like the device is on in South Africa, right? And this in registered also in South Africa. So you have to go where is the +1. We have to click here, and we have to put South Africa, right? We have to check where is the South Africa. There is a most of the people are doing that the mistakes, when we saying okay you can log in there in Pakistan or India or South Africa, so they're not changing this, like where is the cameras you are watching, where is the cameras is like installed. So if the cameras is in South Africa, we have to go in South Africa like this, right? Then you can click on the tick here. Right, now you can see there is change. Now it's showing the +27. Right, the +27. Then now we need to put the number. The number also is very important. You have to be put without the zero. Right, like the number if is starting from the zero, like or maybe the +27. We're not gonna put anything like that. So we just put the 6350759 09, right? And then you need to put the password. That password, you whatever you create the password, you have to use the same password what you create the first time, right? So you're gonna put that password, then you can just click on login. You just click on login, then you will see the cameras. Then everything is gonna be done. If his registration is done and everything is okay, then you will see the cameras.